Well, apparently, when you talk enough trash about being able to do something blindfolded over the years, they finally decide to challenge you. So here we go. Today, I'll be changing a toilet tank out blindfolded.
Oh, man, that's a good intro. Ooh, look at that booty. You do talk a lot of trash about being able to do stuff blindfolded. Oh, look at you. You know what's funny is that you can do a blindfolded challenge, but I can nag you for 6 months and every 6 months to do something and it still isn't fixed.
I
I
never
would like
told
you
you
to
which
change out
6
my
months.
RO spout
It's
blindfolded.
it's hardly
challenge.
leaking.
Challenge.
It's
I'm
hardly
challenging
leaking
you to my
anymore.
RO spout.
I'm not doing that challenge.
It's been
Blindfolded.
boxed up on your Jeep for 6 months.
It has not been 6
We're at the
months.
6 month mark.
We are not.
You can do it.
Yeah, because even at that, you can always better to be able to have low and turn it up. And perfect.
Do you know that we're timing you?
Well, yeah, I actually told him to add the timer to the bottom.
Should be a mat under your tools. Policy, procedure, total fail right there. Oh, and you're hitting my wall.
I'm blindfolded. Cut me some
Policy,
slack.
I would no. Hitting my wall.
At least I was having a good hair day.
That's true. Oh, that should be on a mat too. Penalty. Penalizing you.
My boss didn't provide me a mat.
That was inappropriate fondling.
They're not nipples. They're screws.
God, could you be any slower?
Or I could have been a channel manager in Benjamin.
Oh, I hate that you can see the mark on the floor from the old toilet. Hey, look, you didn't even cut yourself. I'm impressed.
I only cut myself with copper.
Oh, look at you. It's like you're aiming for the camera. Look at this, boys. Or Chandler's just doing that good of a job.
He's admiring my forearm.
It's like kind of small now, so I'm like against the wall of the camera.
Yeah. He started off on the tripod. He quickly just pulled it off.
You can do it. What is this? What is this? I like that we color coordinated your mask to match your uniform. It makes me happy. It's the little things. That's a hole. Put the screw in the hole. No, not there.
I was like, I'm pretty sure I pulled that, didn't I?
You can do it. You can do it. You deserved this challenge. Yeah. You guys don't even know yet how cocky Brian is. When it comes to plumbing, he has
It's
a
not
huge
cocky when
ego.
you can back it up.
Yeah. Well, you finally did it blindfolded. I actually think you could have replaced the whole toilet faster blindfolded than the tank to bowl.
Setting the toilet would actually be kind of hard blindfolded because without risking damaging the wax ring.
Well, we're not even using wax anymore. We're using wax slits.
Some of them. Well, actually, most of the time the guys just are still using the wax.
It's a good forearm shot. Just saying. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you used the tool that came in the box.
Of course
There's
I
not
did.
some Milwaukee something there somewhere.
I even checked the water level and adjusted that while I was blindfolded.
Yeah, we know. You're amazing.
I know.
We know. We all
I was just
know
proving the
that.
point.
I know. Again, a nice forearm shot. Thanks for those, Chandler. It's totally working for me.
The sad part is I think I did this blindfolded faster than a lot of plumbers do it without a blindfold.
Do you hear the ego?
Chandler said it
Do
was
you
under
hear
5
it?
minutes.
Yeah. That's that ego. That's why I have to constantly pop it so he can fit his big ass head through the office door. Mm-hmm. Oh, water's on.
So do you manually adjust it when it gets to a certain point? Or is that
A lot of times it is actually the level's fine from the factory, but you do need to check it because a lot of times you have to adjust the water level.
okay?
The flapper is designed to drop after, so there's basically an air pocket inside the flapper, and when you lift it up, the air escapes, and that's what causes it to drop back down. So it's almost like a timed thing. So if you don't have enough water in there, for the flapper, and you might actually, or some of them are actually designed to stay afloat until the water level drops.
Gotcha.
Until it falls down. So depending on the flapper style, whatnot, you got to make sure you have enough water in there. The water level's the right level.
Bottom line,
Otherwise
you
it
never
won't.
trust the manufacturing line
Yeah.
to do it correctly. You
See,
always
as you
check.
see here, it was actually too high. It started overflowing into the overflow tube. So it would have just stayed running and never shut off. So I adjusted the water level down.
Well, that's an educational moment. If they were recording, you could put that in.
They have been recording.
Oh, you have to bleep that
You
out.
guys said we got them ready first.
And the bleeps. And the bloops. Blindfolded. Blindfolded, he says. Hearing 20 years about how you're so good at this, you can do it blindfolded, you better damn well be able to do it. I'm honestly surprised you can feel the water though, with how burned and calloused and horrible your fingers are.
The water's cold.
Okay, that makes sense then. Oh, yeah, which way? Which way? There it is. You did it. Now the big question is, did you clean up your damn mess when you were done? Oh, he bows and he bows.